Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to read chapter 10, which is called 2008, What Terrorism Feels Like. Chapter 10 will sum up part 2 of I Am Malala. Please stick around after we preview the 2 vocabulary words for chapter 10. We are then going to review similes and metaphors for today's lesson. Okay, the first word is haven. A haven is a place of safety. So take a minute and think about where your safe haven might be, where you feel safest. And the next word is rubble. Rubble is waste or rough fragments of stone, brick, or concrete. All right, let's quickly review what a simile is. We know that a simile is a figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of a different kind, used to make a description more emphatic or vivid. So if you take a look at the right-hand side, if I were to say that Maria was busy as a bee, I'm comparing Maria to the bee. Sparkle like diamonds, if I were to say the glass was sparkling like diamonds, I'm comparing the glass to diamonds. Hungry as a bear, if I were to say I am as hungry as a bear, I'm comparing myself to a bear. Flat as a pancake, if I were to say the table was as flat as a pancake, I'm comparing the table to a pancake. And if I were to say the bed was as hard as a rock, I'm comparing the bed to a rock. All right, taking a look at metaphors, we know that a metaphor is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. So if you think about comparing two things without using the word like or as. So the sun was a gleaming pearl. I'm comparing the sun to a gleaming pearl. Obviously, the sun is not literally a pearl. My baby brother is as cute as a little teddy bear. Obviously, your brother is not a teddy bear, but you're comparing your brother and his cuteness to a little teddy bear. My sister's memory is a camera that remembers everything we see. Comparing your sister's memory to a camera. The car seat is a fluffy cloud. You're comparing the car seat to being comfortable like a fluffy cloud. And custard is happiness in a bowl. Obviously, this person feels happy eating custard, comparing custard to happiness. All right, head on over to Google Classroom. You're going to read chapter 10 first, and then answer the questions on similes, metaphors, and quotations. Have a great day.